Craving a slice of nature in your living room? Why not a bonsai garden? This tiny miniature universe can be a source of delight, tranquility, and a unique design element in your home. The art of bonsai has been practiced and perfected over centuries, dating back more than 1,000 years. Originating from East Asia, this intricate art form has been passed down through generations and across cultures. It's an art form that's been around for over 1,000 years. Before we dive deeper into the paradise of bonsai, make sure you're part of our thriving community. Hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on all things plant-related. Don't miss out on valuable tips, DIY projects, and the joy of nurturing your own green haven. Subscribe and let's grow together. So, how does one start their very own bonsai journey? It might seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, anyone can master this. Before we delve into the process, let's talk about what exactly bonsai is. Bonsai is the art of growing miniature trees in pots. However, it's not just about making a tree small enough to fit into a pot. It's about creating a miniature version of nature, filled with all its beauty and complexity, right in your living room. Now let's dive into the practical aspects. The first and perhaps the most critical step is to pick the right plant. The world's botany is vast and diverse, but not all plants are suitable for bonsai. You need to choose one that has a naturally small or slow-growing habit and is hardy enough to withstand the pruning and shaping process. Junipers, ficus, and azaleas are excellent choices for beginners. Their hardiness, slow growth, and small size make them ideal candidates for bonsai. They also have a beautiful aesthetic appeal. The juniper, with its deep green, needle-like leaves, can be shaped into a stunning, windswept specimen. Ficus, on the other hand, is renowned for its gnarled, twisty trunks that can be trained into fascinating shapes. And the bright, vibrant blooms of the azalea add a splash of color to your miniature garden. Then comes the next step, shaping your bonsai. This process is a delicate dance between growth and control. Unlike regular gardening, where growth is encouraged, bonsai is about carefully controlling and directing that growth. It is here where the true essence of bonsai is revealed. It is not merely a hobby, but a form of living sculpture. To shape your bonsai, you'll need to trim, prune, and wire the branches. Trimming involves removing excess growth to maintain the tree's miniature size. Pruning, on the other hand, is about selectively removing branches enhance the tree's overall shape and design. Wiring is a technique used to bend and direct the growth of branches, allowing you to create the desired shape over time. This process takes patience, precision, and a good deal of artistic flair. Lastly, after all the shaping and pruning, comes the step of caring for your bonsai. Bonsai trees, like all living things, require care and attention to thrive. They need sunlight, water, and occasional feeding. Sunlight is crucial to the process by which plants make food. Watering must be done carefully, ensuring the root system is adequately moistened but not waterlogged. Feeding involves adding nutrients to the soil to replenish what the tree uses up. Remember, bonsai is not just gardening, it's a lifestyle. It involves a commitment to care, patience, and an appreciation for the beauty of nature. It's an opportunity to slow down and immerse yourself in a hobby that brings you close to nature, even in the heart of a bustling city. So embrace the process, invest your time and energy, and watch as your miniature world blooms into a stunning display of nature's beauty. If this has intrigued you and you want to find out more about plants, don't forget to click subscribe. So, are you ready to start your bonsai journey? With the right guidance and a little patience, you can create your very own slice of nature right in your living room. Remember, bonsai is not just gardening, it's a lifestyle. So embrace the process and watch your miniature world bloom.